Have you ever wondered why we're constantly told to reduce salt when it's something our bodies actually need? Or why sea salt costs more than regular table salt? In today's video, we will be solving the salt mystery once and for all. Be sure to stay till the end so you know what's best for you. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. The salt confusion. Did you know that salt is the second most abundant element in your body after water? Yet most doctors tell us to avoid it at all costs. But is this really true? Or have we been fed incomplete information that's actually hurting our health? What's actually in your salt? Let's clarify something important. When we talk about sea salt, that term alone tells us virtually nothing about quality. All salt came from the ocean at some point in its lifetime. All salt can be called sea salt. Refined salt, unrefined salt, even regular table salt in restaurants can be called sea salt. The critical difference isn't between sea salt and table salt. It's between refined and unrefined salt. So, what exactly happens during refining? The salt manufacturers strip away what they call impurities. But here's the shocking truth. Those impurities are actually over 80 essential trace minerals your body needs. After refining, what's left? About 98 to 99% sodium chloride plus toxic additives like ferrocyanide, aluminium silicate, chemical bleaching agents to make it white. Have you ever questioned why our salt needs to be bright white? Who decided that was better than the natural colors salt comes in? Unrefined salt, nature's medicine. Unrefined salts contain approximately 80% sodium chloride and 20% trace minerals, the perfect balance nature intended. This includes options like ancient sea salt from Utah, Celtic sea salt from France, Himalayan salt from Pakistan. You can visually identify unrefined salt by its color. These salts range from pink to grayish to slightly brown depending on their mineral content. Each region's salt has a slightly different mineral profile based on its source. Salt deficiency, the hidden health crisis. Could your health problems actually be symptoms of not getting enough of the right kind of salt? These are some common salt deficiency symptoms. Muscle cramps, especially leg and foot cramps at night, headaches, low energy, and surprisingly, even high blood pressure. Wait, high blood pressure from too little salt? Isn't that the opposite of what we've been told? Here's what happens. When you don't consume enough salt, your body releases hormones like aldosterone and renin to help conserve sodium. These hormones actually raise blood pressure by constricting blood vessels. For many people, adequate unrefined salt intake actually helps normalize blood pressure. The salt-water connection. Salt and water work together in your body. You need both in the right amounts. Water is our major constituent, whereas salt is the second major constituent. Without proper salt balance, you can't produce energy, ATP, efficiently, maintain proper electrical activity in cells, run thousands of biochemical reactions. Have you ever noticed how much better you feel after swimming in the ocean? That's your body absorbing minerals through your skin. Who should limit salt? The truth is, most people don't need to restrict salt intake. The only populations that truly need to consider limiting salt are 1. People with congestive heart failure, 2. People with kidney failure. For everyone else with normal kidney function, unrefined salt is an essential nutrient that supports optimal health. If you are unsure whether you have kidney issues, do check out my other video on the 12 alarming signs your kidneys are crying for help in the link above and down below. How much salt do you need? Most people benefit from about 1 to 2 teaspoons of unrefined salt daily, spread throughout the day. For specific issues like cramps, you might start with a teaspoon and increase gradually until symptoms resolve. The bottom line on salt. Remember these 3 principles for optimal health. 1. Eat foods that support your body's natural function. 2. Choose foods as close to their natural state as possible. 3. Maintain balance in all things. Real, unrefined salt fits perfectly within these principles. It provides essential minerals your body needs in the form nature created. When you switch to unrefined salt, you'll likely find you need less salt to get the flavor you want because it tastes better and works more efficiently in your body. What kind of salt do you take? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about the different kinds of salt. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.